Welcome to another training from the AI Marketing Lab. We are going to look at how to get ChatGPT to find you your right target audience for your product or service. Before we start, for those who don't know what the AI Marketing Lab is or what it's about, we are a community of business owners, entrepreneurs, marketers. AI Marketing Lab main aim is to provide cutting edge training tools and resources that's going to help any business easily implement AI into their business to start exploding profits and reduce costs. If you would like to find out more, there'll be a link below this video for you to sign up to your free membership. So back to the training. Today we're going to look at how to get ChatGPT, find your right target audience for your product or service. What we're going to do is we're going to warm ChatGPT up. We're going to create a buyer persona based on what it is that we provide or what we sell or what we offer. We need to let ChatGPT know what we intend to do. As you can see here, I've already asked it, what is a buyer persona? This is just to get ChatGPT on the right tracks. They've come back with an answer which explains what buyer persona is. The next step is we want to get ChatGPT to write a buyer persona for us. And I'm going to include this prompt below the video. So the prompt is, my business sells, insert what you sell, and helps insert who and what your product or service helps. And for this example, and this is the example we always use throughout the training, is essential oils. So my business sells essential oils and it helps people with anxiety. So we're going to take this back over to ChatGPT, and now we're going to let ChatGPT do its work. And as you can see, it's starting writing already. So I'm just going to pause and come back once we're fully complete. Okay, now ChatGPT is finished. As you can see, it's given us the demographics, age 25 to 40 for our essential oils, mainly a female. However, it's important to note that essential oils can be appealing to all genders. So you could actually go back to ChatGPT and say, write me a buyer persona for female, write me a buyer persona for male. Occupation, marital status, income. Then we move on to their interests, their personality, their values, their behavioral characteristics, their shopping habits, their pain points, their additional goals and motivation. And all this information allows you to build out an effective campaign that will allow you to write sales copy and ad copy that will allow you to target this audience correctly. Now, this is not the end of it. So this is only the first step. ChatGPT has told us who this person is that we are looking. And at the minute, it's female. So the next step is where to find these people online. And again, it's just a matter of asking the question. So we ask the question, where is the best place online to find my target market hanging out? The idea with online marketing is to find out where your target market is hanging out and prop your business down in front of them. And this is exactly what we're going to ask ChatGPT to do. As you can see, ChatGPT has now told us exactly the different places online where these people are hanging out. Social media, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Health and wellness blog, forums like Reddit, amazing community to target and not very many people target. Online marketplaces to sell the product, YouTube, podcast. This is amazing information. So that has literally told us in the space of 2 minutes who we should be selling to, everything about them, where they hang out online. Now, you could take this a step further, and in the training on our AI Marketing Lab, we show you how to use AI to build out hundreds of advertisements and get the targeting right, where it's a 99% conversion rate. So you don't actually need to create 10 adverts to get one winner. If something like that interests you, join the AI Marketing Lab and sign up to the training. But as you can see, we have warmed ChatGPT up, we've created a buyer persona, and it's told us where to find these people online. Now I'm going to put all the prompts and everything information below this video for you. So thank you for watching.